In this video, I'm going to talk about what happens if you weren't selected in the H1B visa lottery and what do you do now? Welcome back. My name is Jeremy Richards. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik, where we solely practice U.S. immigration law. We have offices in Buffalo, New York, and Toronto, Canada. In our videos, we discuss U.S. immigration law and related topics. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Hit the like button if you find this content helpful, and hit the reminder button so when new videos come out, you'll be notified of those. And of course, share these videos and our content with your friends and others out there that might find this content helpful. And down below in the comments, we provide helpful links as well as a way to subscribe to our newsletter that comes out on a weekly basis with U.S. immigration updates. If you haven't found out already, the H1B visa lottery was completed. USCIS has notified all of those registrants that were selected and are able to move forward by filing an H1B visa petition. If you weren't selected, then that leaves you out. It leaves you scrambling for other options and alternatives to the H1B visa. Now, it isn't officially the end of the road yet. In years past, after the first round of the H1B visa lottery, USCIS has done a reserve lottery. So what happens is those that are selected in the initial lottery have a time frame in which to file that petition, to petition that employee to come in on that selection of the H1B lottery. If they don't file in time and they abandon that registration, and that number, that lottery, H1B visa goes back into the lottery so that others can be reallocated that H1B visa. Typically, in years past, that has happened somewhere around July. And those that have been re-entered into the re-registration process and been selected after those numbers have been reallocated are notified somewhere around August. So it isn't the end of the road. However, chances are very slim. Through this lottery, our calculation is even with the H1B regular cap and master's cap, only about 10% of the people that were entered into the lottery were selected. So there is a chance that you get in the H1B visa reserve registration. However, it is very slim. Now, if you did not get into the H1B visa lottery and the odds are you're probably not going to get in the reserve, there are other alternatives available that you should look into. And we have some links down below in this video to resources where you can find alternatives to the H1B visa. Maybe that's through a different type of employer sponsorship, or maybe it's through family sponsorship. There are other visas that are available depending on your nationality. You could qualify for an H1B1, you could qualify for an E3, you could qualify for a TN. There are alternatives out there in addition to a O1 visa for extraordinary ability. Maybe your employer wants to sponsor you straight up for a green card. Or you have a family member who is a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident, and through that relationship you might qualify to obtain status as well. If you have any other questions about U.S. immigration, feel free to reach out to us. Go to our website, send us an email, give us a phone call. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.